this video. So in this video we are going to calculate the mean absolute deviation for grouped data. So we have this data here which is grouped already. We have classes of number 10 to 20 which they occur at a frequency of 2. So the first thing first we are supposed to calculate is the cumulative frequency. And how do we do it? So cumulative frequency, you write the first frequency here, you write it at this column, then you add 2 plus 8, it's supposed to give you 10. So you write 10, then 10 plus 15, 25, 25 plus 7, 32, 32 plus 10, 42, 42 plus 3, 45. So by now, you have your cumulative frequency, which is like the total numbers of classes, total number of your data. So after doing that, you are supposed to search for midpoint. So this is to show you how we get 15. You come here to your classes, you add them, you do an average. So of the first, you're supposed to do the first class boundary, which for this class to know the gap between these, you are supposed to come here and you do 20 plus 21, then you divide by 2, you should get 10.5. So that is our boundary. Then you should do 10.5. This should, like we do an average of this, it should give us 15. So we should get 15. Like this is how we are supposed to do it on searching for midpoint. So this is 15. If we repeat this, you should get the same number. So let's do for the next one. We confirm. If it is okay, we just leave it. So 21. Yeah, it is coming up to 26. So you can just let's think this all this data is correct. So that is our midpoint. So the next point is to do frequency times xi times our midpoint. So we have 2 plus 2 times 15, which is 30. 8 times 26 is this number. Then we do the same for all these numbers. We should get the total number, which is 1989. Then the other part we are supposed to do is x minus mean. So how do you calculate your mean? You calculate your mean by using this formula, summation of fx, which is here, and then divide by total cumulative frequency. So let's do it. 1989 divided by 45. So our mean is 44.2. Then you come here, your x. This is our x. Our x is 15 minus 44.42, which is our mean. We should get this number. You do for this number until you get 99. Then to get frequency times x minus mean, you should do what? This is our frequency, 2 times this number, we should get 58. So after doing that, we do a summation. Then we should get this number if I'm correct. Then to get our mean deviation, we should get 56.4 divided by EFX is the formula. So you can see the formula here, and represent EFX because the data is grouped. So if we divide this, we should get 12.6. So let's run it through AI to confirm. We got 0.53. Hope I didn't miss the maths, but that is how we are done. So yeah, the answer is 12.43. So they say in the last column 65 you wrote 77.5 of F. Three times 25.8 inakuwa ngapi? 3 times 25.8. Yeah, that was just the small mistake, but that is how we find mean absolute deviation for grouped data.